You've been approved for Amazon Live. You've even done a few live streams, but you want to add some polish. You've been live streaming with your phone to Amazon Live and it's good. You've gotten the hang of it, but you want to bring in some lower thirds. You want to bring in some graphics. You want to make it into a polished show. And so to do that, you're going to need to use one of your favorite streaming platforms. And in today's video, we're going to look at how to do just that. How do you stream to Amazon Live from any one of our favorite streaming platforms? I'm going to show you 3 today, and that's Ecamm Live, StreamYard, and RESTREAM. So let's buckle up, let's dive in, and let's figure out how it all works. I'm Kirk Nugent, your live video coach, and on this channel, we show you how to use live streaming to grow and engage an audience, to funnel clients to your business, and to establish yourself as a thought leader. In today's video, we're looking at Amazon Live, the setup. It's going to be a how-to video, so feel free to follow along and pause where necessary. Now, let's first dive into the Amazon Live Creator app. Here we are on my iPad, and I'm gonna tap on the Amazon Live Creator app, and you can see some of the look and feel of this application and what it looks like in there. What we want to do first is to hit the plus sign to create a new live stream. This is where you're gonna put in your thumbnail. You're gonna add things to the cart, to the carousel, I should say, and this is where you also get the stream key, and that's critical for us to be able to set up Amazon Live on all these different applications. So we're going to set up a test stream here, and we're going to use this test stream throughout the rest of today's video. So I'm not going to do a thumbnail, but I will add at least one item to the cart. It does help if you have some items already set in your shop page. So I'm just going to add this first thing. You only need to add one in order to go live, so keep that in mind. If you had a thumbnail, you would add it here. You have a title. Let's add a title. We're going to call this test, save. And so now if we were scheduling ahead of time, we would hit show a start time, and we could set it for tomorrow at 10 a.m. or whatever. But here where it says phone camera, we're going to tap that, and we're going to actually say external. When we say external, this brings up your URL and stream key. So here we can tap that, and it will automatically copy that, and you can put it into one of the other applications on your iOS device. So I've copied that, and that's all I'm going to need. So we're going to save this. And the next thing we can do here is just click preview. Preview allows us to be able to see if the stream from the encoder, from whatever streaming application we're going to use, is making it to the stream, and if it is the right frame rate, if it's at the right definition. So this is where we'll keep this on this screen. And to be clear, just for clarity's sake, I want to say this one more time. When we click on preview here in the app, you're waiting for the app, you're waiting for Amazon Live to receive your stream, and then you actually come back here to click go live. So this button that's grayed out, this button is where you would click to go live once Amazon has received your stream. Now that we have it all set up in the Amazon Live Creator app, let's look at RESTREAM Live Studio. We're going to set up RESTREAM to be able to stream to Amazon Live, and then we're going to go back to the app to see if we are getting the right stream in that place. So here we are in RESTREAM Studio, and before we even go into the live studio, what we need to do right here on the Destinations tab in your dashboard, you're going to want to click on Add Channel. So then we're going to be looking right here where it says RTMP. We want to click on that, and then we want to paste in your stream URL and stream key, which I've pasted in right now. And I'm going to pause right here to say your stream key is specific and unique to you. So keep it safe. Do not share it with anyone. That is the reason why I have it blurred out on the screen right now. Your stream key is specific to you. If somebody gets a hold of it, as long as they know what streaming platform that goes to, they can use it to stream there as well. So be careful with your stream key. you'll notice that the RTMP URL is the same for you. It's the same for me. It's the same for anybody that's streaming to Amazon Live. So if they get your stream key, they can go live on your platform, and that's not good. So keep your stream key safe. Now that we have this in here, I'm gonna click add channel, and it'll take a second, but you wanna go ahead and give it a name. I'm gonna say Amazon Live so that I can tell which destination this is from other custom RTMP streams. And now we're good, we're ready to go. This destination is on, and I'm gonna leave it here. We're gonna do an unscheduled stream from the live studio. So click on live studio here in Restream, and we can see up here at the top, it is already ready to go to Amazon Live. And so one of the other things that you're gonna wanna do, you're gonna wanna make sure of before you stream, is that your frame rate and your stream definition, broadcast quality is set to the proper settings. So here you're seeing that my video resolution is set to 720p 30 frames per second, which is good for Amazon Live. 720p is what you really want to follow for Amazon Live, but I would click the advanced setting and make sure your live stream quality, this right here, needs to also be set to 720p. Actually, this is more important than your video resolution. This video resolution is what your camera is sending to the streaming platform, but this live stream quality is what the streaming platform is sending to your destination. And Amazon Live does not like anything above 720p. I'm going to say 30 frames per second, but on Ecamm, as you'll see shortly, it does not work with 30 frames per second. So this is currently set properly. We can close this out, and we can actually click go live. And this is the process. Once you have your destination set up, you can click go live here. And once it's live, we're gonna go back to the Amazon Live Creator app and see if the stream is reaching that destination. So here we are back on the Amazon Live app, and you'll see that the button is still grayed out for us to go live, which means that the stream has not gotten to us yet. So we have to wait, and there it is. It is turned red. So we are actually ready to go live. That means all the settings are correct and we are ready to go live. So if I click this button, we will be live on Amazon right now, but I'm not going to do that because we got 2 more platforms to show you. So let's next jump into StreamYard. So now here we are in StreamYard. Of course, what we want to do is go to destinations, click add destination, custom RTMP, stream URL is going to be the same as what we had before, and we want to give it a nickname. And so now it's all ready and set to go. We can click add RTMP server, and that will go through. It says RTMP was connected successfully. We're all set. Keep in mind your stream key is specific to you, so keep that safe. I'm going to click create broadcast, new broadcast. We're just going to stream directly to Amazon Live, and let's call this test. And we're going to go ahead and enter here. Now that we're in the system, the first thing we want to do before we go live is click on settings. And here where it says broadcast quality, we want to make sure that this is set to 720p. 720p is what you want to have it set to. Now, the camera, if you go to the camera icon, you will see here that the camera resolution is set to 480. You can set it to 720. You can even set that to 1080 depending on what your settings are, but you want to make sure that under general, you have your broadcast quality set to 720p. And once that's done, we should be able to just click go live, and then we can head over to Amazon Live Creator app. And as you can see here, it's still grayed out. We're still waiting for that stream to get there, and we're hoping that we don't get an error. And there it is. We have that red go live button, which means everything is set properly and we're ready to go. So the last one we want to look at is Ecamm Live. So here we are on Ecamm Live, and we're just going to select custom stream key right here from our destinations menu. And again, we're going to do the exact same thing here where we paste in our URL and our stream key. We say use custom stream key, and we're good to go. Again, this is the third reminder. Make sure you keep your stream key safe. That's not for public consumption. So we say yes there, and you can already see that Ecamm already knows who this is. It's like, okay, this is Ecamm, this is Amazon Live. So we're good to go there. Let's go ahead and hit our show hide preferences button by clicking this wheel. We want to go to the stream tab and we're going to set our stream size to 720p. And this is the additional step that you have to do in Ecamm Live that you don't have to do in some of the others. And that is to set your frame rate to at least 25 FPS or lower. So we have the option to go to 24, but 25 will work. 30 does not work. When you put it at 30, you will get an error on the Amazon Live app. So you want to make sure that you set it to either 25 or 24 frames per second. Once these two are set, you can close this out and then we can actually click on Go Live. And you can see that that Go Live button has lit up here on our computer and we should be good to go. So there you have it. We looked at StreamYard, we looked at Restream Live Studio, we looked at Ecamm, and I want to say here that you can actually use Ecamm with Restream to stream to multiple destinations so that you can not only be streaming to Amazon Live, but let's say to your YouTube or Facebook or LinkedIn or even Twitter accounts. That's how you would use it in terms of Ecamm Live. But for StreamYard, you can include Amazon Live as one of your destinations if you want to do multi-streaming as well. And so you would be then streaming to all those destinations. Of course, you still need to monitor things in your tablet or your iPhone so that you can engage with the folks on Amazon, but the rest of those comments will come into your streaming platform the normal way that you're used to. Hope this was useful for you. Hope that this kind of clarifies that process. There's no magic here, that you just got to follow those steps. Again, let me know in the comments, what is your favorite streaming platform? Let me know in the comments how this has helped, or if you have any other questions, if there's anything that I can clarify. Man, I'm so excited about Amazon Live and I'm excited to hear what you guys do with it. It's your boy, Kirk Nugent, the Geek Speaker Preacher, hoping that somewhere in the video today, we got you a little closer to figuring out how it all works. We'll see you in the next video.